Hi everyone, my name is Akasha, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 5, and this is what the box looks like. I'm going to try to keep this video like quick and kind of quiet because my family's sleeping and it's 1:45 a.m. Recently I unboxed the Series 3 and the box was different from this one from what I remember. This one has the tab on here outside of the wrapping. And the Series 3 had the tab inside of the wrapping instead of outside of it, like this. Like you couldn't touch it, it was inside, you had to peel the wrapper. Another thing is, it says what kind of watch I got on the back instead of on the side. So the sides are blank, instead of like the Series 3, which had, the writing on the sides. And it says watch right here. I don't think you can really see it, but on the back, it tells you what it includes. It says Apple Watch band, charging cable, USB power adapter, and that it supports LTE because I bought the cellular one just in case, because I want to link it up to my phone later. I don't like having to bring my phone places all the time. If I can answer texts, then I should be fine. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm gonna rip the tab. Should have been able to let me do that before, I feel like, because it's so hard to unwrap these. I feel like maybe that's why they made that addition. By the way guys, this is the Space Gray Series 5 40mm, and I bought a different color band, but I don't really like it as much as I thought I would, like once I got it in person. So I'm gonna get 3 more. They're coming in tomorrow. I bought like a pack of 3. It was actually $10 for a pack of 3 bands on Amazon, which is not bad. So I bought a white, like a pinkish color, and then kind of like a nude color, and I'm really excited for that because I didn't want to use the black band, but I wanted to get the black watch. Even that was such a hard decision to make. Like, I could not decide whether I wanted the black one, the rose gold one, or the silver one. So just to dial it down to like which one I wanted took me so long. I'm just opening the tab right here. That's pretty lit. Okay, so loud, sorry guys. So this is the band. It's in there. This is the watch. There's like this like felt thing on top of it. It's like this like felt type of material. I want to show you guys. So this thing's already sliding out, so let's get that out. And this one actually comes with the power adapter. Nicely wrapped up. So there's a little tab right here I can peel. Okay, so it says to attach the band, slide in until you hear a click. To remove it, press the button and slide out. So I'm gonna use this small band, and of course this one. It says 40mm on this little felt thing here, which is kind of cool. It's so like clean. Okay, so I bought screen protectors, so I think I'm gonna put the screen protector on now. These I got on Amazon. It's a pack of 6, I believe. So before I get any dust on it, I'm gonna go ahead and put the screen protector on. As I said, there's 6 screen protectors in the thing. Wait, what the hell is this? I'm so confused. How am I supposed to use this? It's what I'm...
Step 11. Pull up
What the
tab
hell?
3.
Why is there
Push the
11
squeegee
steps
from
to
the
put
dotted
on a
line
freaking
to the
screen
top of the
protector?
screen.
Guys, those instructions were extremely unclear and there are a million bubbles. This is why I will forever like tempered glass screen protectors. So here's what it looks like. You can see there's like so many bubbles. It says to bring my phone near the watch. And I'm gonna say continue. I am in my PJs, by the way. Okay. It says put your Apple Watch and hold it to the camera. It worked. It paired. And it says which watch I have right there. So it says please continue to set up on your iPhone. Guys, I'm trying to get it on. Okay guys, that took me a minute. And it's upside down. I think this is the right way, guys. Agree to terms and conditions. It says sign in with your Apple ID and your iPhone to receive updates on your Apple Watch for messages, mail, and calendar, even when your Apple Watch is away from your iPhone. It's signing into my email. It's also got the Find My Watch, so if I lose my watch, I can locate it, lock it, or erase it. Then it's asking me if I want to do workout route tracking. And I'm gonna say enable. Now it's asking me if I want to do analytics, help improve help improve its products and services by allowing analytics of usage from your Apple Watch. It says Apple Watch passcode. When you set a passcode, the Apple Watch locks when you take it off and it requires the passcode to unlock. This helps protect your data. So I'm gonna create a passcode. Okay, so the thing shows up on here for me to put the numbers in. It's asking me about activity, so I'm gonna say set up activity. And then keep my watch up to date. Continue. Apple Pay, I'll set up later. I never really use Apple Pay, so. Emergency SOS. Yes, please. Cellular. When your Apple Watch is not connected to your iPhone, you can continue to make calls. I'll skip this step for now. Clock faces. Continue. I'm gonna install all my apps and then I'll go ahead and delete them later. So now it says it's syncing. It now just says your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. And my apps are on there. This was the whole setup. I don't know if you guys want to see extra stuff. I can make a video where I show you guys how I personalize it because I'm definitely going to change the watch face. You know, my watch face isn't going to be this. It's not. For now, I'm pretty happy with it. I just want to change the, what's it called? The screen protector, guys. Anyways, I just don't want this video to go on forever, so let me know if you guys want to see some cool stuff that I can do on the watch, if you want to see me personalize it, if you want to see me personalize my MacBook, any of those things, I will do it. And I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was kind of all over the place, but if you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you guys want to see in the next one or how I could improve on my videos, and I will see you guys in my next video in a couple days.